Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Bjorn, and today we're making creamy corn. This recipe is very easy and it's a great side dish. You can make this recipe from fresh corn on the cob or canned corn. I'll show you how to make the fresh corn in an Instant Pot first. Dehusk the corn and place them on a trivet in the Instant Pot. Add a cup of water, secure the lid and close the vent. Pressure cook for about 4 minutes, then quick release when done. When the pressure has dropped and it's safe to do so, remove the lid, take out the corn and let them cool for a few minutes. Cut off the kernels and save them in a bowl. Then melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet. Then you add 1 tablespoon of flour and you whisk. Which main dish do you use creamy corn as a side dish for? Let us know in the comments below. Then pour in half a cup of cream and a quarter cup of milk and whisk again. Then add 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper and a half a teaspoon salt. And half a teaspoon garlic powder or 1 minced clove. Then you whisk. Bring to a boil. To make it extra creamy, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and you pour in 2 cups of corn. Let it simmer to a boil, and there you have it, the creamy corn. For this and many more recipes, visit allspicedOut.com. I'm Bjorn, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.